right, that is what it sounds like to be living on the road, enjoying life. In this video, we're going to be going through Frisco, Colorado, staying the night in a Walmart parking lot, cooking up some food there, showing that process. And then the next day is a short little hike through Rainbow Lake, is what the trail name is. It takes you to a little lake there. Hope you all enjoy, and without further ado, let's jump into it. So fucking ready, man. There's another part of the Dillon Reservoir, I'm pretty sure. We came in through the other road, so we were on the other side.
Oh yeah, it is.
Yeah, this is pretty from this side. Look at that. Will you get that?
It's even more.
That's so pretty. Wow, homeboy.
This is hard to do.
So pretty.
Damn, dude, you're whipping around.
I'm literally just going. It's just the way the road is like this. We're on mountain roads. Beautiful Dillon Reservoir. I wish we could have swam in it. That looks so fucking good. Damn.
It's very blue.
Stupid fucking hell! Alright guys, we're still on our way to Frisco. Long drive from Breckenridge to Frisco. We had to go a whole 16 minutes. Just kidding, I stopped at the dispensary. Shout out to Green Dragon Dispensary. They sold me an ounce for $50. Cause I told him, I was like, yo, I just need the cheapest thing possible. And he said, I need to get this ounce off. I'll give it to you $50. Guacamole. Guacamole de mia. We made tacos night too, but this time we put hatch chili peppers in them. And guacamole again.
I smell marijuana. Don't you, Louie? Don't you smell it? God, there's no one here. It's Monday, right?
There's a couple people here.
It's like 2 other cars, right?
Like 4. But there's 3 different trails, so.
Yeah, hopefully. No one's on the 38-minute one. Good
morning, everyone. We slept in a Walmart parking lot here in Frisco, Colorado last night. Now we're gonna hit this little trail. It's actually that trailhead over there, but we're parked in the trailhead. And we're by these mountains. It's a little 38-minute hike around. I think there's a river or something. I saw water. Is there a river, babe?
We're hiking to a lake.
We're hiking to a lake. So yeah, we're gonna go check that out and then come back and then get on the way to Leadville and go. Maybe one, yeah. Get on the way to Leadville, go relive our little town that we got engaged in. Yeah, we can fill that up with my water or your water. That way it's a lot smaller to carry. And yeah, so let's go hike, enjoy it, get this day started. Here's the trailhead. Louis, we're sick of it. You be good. Stay back.
You're gonna be upset. Stop. This is it?
Yeah. Dang, you can hike all the way to Breckenridge. I mean, it was only a 15-minute drive, so.
8 miles?
That makes sense. 8 miles.
Oh, this is cute.
This is very cute.
I wish I had brought my camera.
You want to grab it? I see the van.
I want to carry it in my pocket and the dog.
I can carry the dog. Or you can carry the water, I'll carry the dog.
See, there's too much to carry. We should just have a backpack whenever we do shit like this. This is ridiculous.
Yeah. But it is just a short little hike. Let's go back and get a backpack then.
Take a picture of the thing, I guess. Stay back.
Cute trail.
Is he sort of question. Do you, buddy? 4 minutes. Get back.
These boards are creaking.
Boards are creepy?
Creaking.
Creepy.
I was making a joke. I was farting. I thought you heard it.
No. Ew.
Hiking sticks. Like little off trails. Love these skinny pines.
I wonder if that is what that guy said last night.
What?
This
Be careful?
big, scary dog.
Probably didn't say be careful.
He said something. Maybe he was telling the dog to be careful.
Hear a waterfall.
Aww. I see it. The stream.
Mm-hmm. Cutie.
Hey, drink your water.
Muy cute. Running water.
It's cool how it like turns right there.
Yeah. Ugh. I don't know. It smells like it. Yeah. Pick up your dog poop, people. Your nose will thank you. So will the earth. So will the water you drink.
What was her name? I liked her. She was good.
That Mohawk girl?
Yeah.
Yeah.
She was nice. What are you doing? These rocks are so big, Mom.
This is a cute trail.
I just hope I never get a leech or a tick on me.
Yeah. You'll get past it if you do.
I'd be scared.
Of West Nile?
Yeah, we should have put on spray that prevents it. Like a lotion.
Yeah.
We bought it at the end of summer.
Yeah, we're retarded.
We'll have it next year.
Yeah. This is so cute right here.
There's rocks.
These had to have been planted here. Not the bridge. I'm talking about those bushes on the side of the bridge. So these had to be planted here. No, just the way they lined the bridge perfectly.
Oh.
I mean, but they were cool.
That.
Look, they got really small rocks on there.
I want to find a smaller one. Probably just
You
blow
can't,
off.
yeah.
Yes, I can. Oh, I'll find one. Don't worry. Here. Wait, no, that one's too big. Fuck, I'm not zen.
Mia, that rock is not gonna work.
I'm gonna get one. Oh no. This one isn't the one. Oh my god, no. I can't be that girl. I can't mess up this shit.
Yeah, let's leave it alone.
Okay, which way?
This way.
See if I... Oh, okay.
I think it'll be colder in Leadville because it's higher up. Pretty sure it's higher up than Frisco. Actually, I think Leadville's the highest city in Colorado. Hey Siri, what is the highest city in Colorado?
Actually, I think that's right.
Leadville.
I have to get stoned.
Gonna get hot in the highest city? Again?
I think we just started smoking weed. Again.
Uh-huh.
I remember it was horrible.
There?
Yeah, to hit the guy.
I was enjoying it.
Get crippled during volume.
Hey Siri, what is the highest city in the United States? Leadville's the highest city in the United States.
And we got good days there.
Yeah,
It's so cool. We made it.
we made it.
It's so beautiful.
Louie, no.
Good boy, sit. Good boy, sit. Sit. Louie, sit. Louie, sit. Good boy. Lay down. Lay down.
Louie, lay down.
Lay
Lay down.
down. Lay down.
Good boy, stay.
Stay.
Well, the walk back from the lake is pretty. You can see the mountains.
Up there.
I turned around and looked once. Do you have the water still? I have a drink. The trees look so cool with some pines and some aspens. Pop-up won't ever let
That was
that
a little
happen.
crazy.
There's a
I
puppy.
don't understand how dogs, like,
They just want
the
to
way
play.
that their minds work,
They just want to play. That's literally it. They are social beings.
or they're not.
No, they're social beings. They really are. Because
Yeah,
think
they
about
should
it.
be,
They
but
all
the
used to be in
ones-
packs before us.
Right, but what I'm saying is not all of them want to play.
Not all of them, but that dog.
Because
you
some
could
of them
tell.
have been, like, not ever been around other dogs and shit, and so they're aggressive.
Yeah, I could
Or
tell.
they're
That
sh-
wasn't an aggressive lunge from that dog. It was just
No,
like
I don't think so either. Sounded like a place.
there's a puppy. You could tell it was still young.
Yeah, it was so cute. It had the puppy face.
Uh-huh. Well, this is a little easier. Didn't see this on the way down. Babe, come on. They're right there. That's crazy. I did not know it was the highest in the United States.
Yeah,
That's pretty dope. That's a cool title for a video.
yeah.
I'm the highest in the world. Not the world. I'm the highest in the USA.
We just have to listen
The highest in
to
the world.
songs with the word high in them.
And I'm gonna be high, high as a rocket band. All the time. And I be so high. I don't know. Ellie Goulding? Tuvlo? Yeah, I remember Tuvlo. She's got a good song with Chance the Rapper. How you doing today? Good. She's got a nice song with Chance the Rapper. I forgot the name of it.
I don't know if that's what I'm thinking.
Probably is. I should somehow like get a contract with Walmart. and just say that like I'll like check each store because I travel to so many stores. But like, yeah, I'm gonna check on all y'all's coin store machines, make sure they're working, and report them if they're not, or some shit. I'm saying
Walmart
like
coin things?
just like some random shit. Like, I'll check on y'all's bathrooms at every Walmart, see if they're up to par. I'm the bathroom inspector.
That'd be cool. Actually, maybe not.
Maybe chill.
You'll probably see some really nasty shit.
Yeah, but I just report it and say, alright, this store needs to get better, and they'll be like, thank you. Here's $1 million.
Nice.
Yeah. Here, hold this. Alright guys, if you leave your poo like I do, make sure you pick it up. Wow. That's pretty. Alright guys, we're pretty much done with this hike, getting back on that bridge right now. And then we're gonna head to the tallest, highest, whatever city in the entire world. Oh, I'm just kidding. We're gonna head to the highest city in the United States. Probably Mount Kilimanjaro. Or whatever.
That's a mountain.
But there's probably a village up there.
There's a lot of mountains that are taller than
Leadville.
Yeah.
Alright guys. We're gonna get back to the car right now. And go to Leadville. I love this bridge. It's so cute.
I want to get into early morning hiking. So I never
Need to get
have
into
to feel
early morning
hot.
waking up first.
No, I know.
Oh.
They're all really cool. Oh my god, I want that one.
Which one? The
That
wood?
one that's like ridged. I guess
It's
it is
wood.
wood. Oh, it looks cool.
Dumbass. I feel like this bridge is pretty new.
Yeah, it's nice.
And yeah, you can still see like wood shavings and shit down there. Pepper. Dang, more people. It looks better and it also makes the wood last longer. Yeah, it puts a coating on. The stain normally has a coating on there that'll wick rain off. Yeah.
I thought the only thing that
Well, actually, yeah, no, we did two versions. We did one stain and then we'd come back a day later and do the Thompson's water seal.
Oh, okay.
Have you opened this for me?
They should have put that on the floors.
I gotta pee. That's cute. Do you need a pee, babe? There's a porta potty right here. Okay, I gotta. This is the nicest porta potty I've ever peed in. It's so clean. Look at even this freaking toilet seat is shining. It's not all matted and scratched. But this is clean, except someone peed all on the side right here. But other than that, even the floor is pretty damn clean. Good porta potty. Shout out to the Peak Trail, Rainbow Trail, whatever. There's like 3 trails, but I think it's called the Peak Trailhead. Great porta potty. I think I'm gonna start reporting on porta potties and pit toilets at campsites and trailheads. All right, let's head to the highest city in the USA.
All right, well, that was the Rainbow Lake Trail in Frisco, Colorado. I hope y'all enjoyed. Let's go ahead and head down the road towards Leadville, Colorado, and I'll meet y'all there next week back here on the channel. If you haven't already, please subscribe, give me a like, and leave a comment saying something that you enjoyed about this video or just saying hi. I enjoy getting comments and responding to those. Thank you all for watching and being here, and until next time.